Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter network and internet section, go to the hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password. You can also set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can change its AP band. You can reset its OOB settings, and you can also set the maximum amount of connections here. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.